It is different. It is quite different. And
yeah, that's what they.
And
do you feel comfortable with it at all?
I am.
Yeah.
I am. I'm actually started last year. Some guys are to think through because the weather, you know, the weather. Yeah. And they come back with F-16s and just, you know, step by step keep using them first as we used our MiGs back then. Yeah, so it is really super fun jet to fly. I'm not saying that MiG that I flew before is super boring, but the F-16 is definitely more agile. We study a lot, we fly a lot, we prep for the missions and so on. Royal Danish Air Force has taken a huge responsibility on their shoulders for carrying out this mission. And I can only imagine how hard it is for them to train us for day-to-day operation, but they are being nothing but supportive.
But it has been updated several times, and actually, as it is right here, it's a very modern aircraft. It's competitive with the best Western fighters, and so you will. I'm sure that the Ukrainian Air Force will benefit from that. It's a very modern aircraft that they received from us. So we have a lot of sympathy with the Ukrainian people, and we want to do whatever we can to help. So of course.